The style trend right now is thick eyebrows. But unfortunately, all of us were not born with full, dark eyebrows. Or over the years, we have plucked them so much that they will not grow back. Either way, you can improve your eyebrow shape and thickness through some natural remedies. Now I am going to show you how to get thick eyebrows naturally. Number 1. Castor oil. This is an old and one of the most effective remedies for getting thicker eyebrows, since it is enriched with proteins, fatty acids, antioxidants and vitamins. It helps in nourishing your hair follicles. Make sure that you apply castor oil every day on your eyebrow roots. It promotes hair growth and also ensures that each hair stand is thick and strong. Method: massage a few drops of castor oil into your eyebrows with your fingertips. Keep it on for 30 minutes. Wipe with a makeup remover and wash your face with warm water. Number 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil works as a conditioner as well as a moisturizer and is great for improving blood circulation. The fatty acids found in coconut oil work with the natural proteins found in hair to protect from breaking. The lauric acid present in it acts as an antimicrobial agent, preventing infection of hair follicles. The various proteins as well as nutrients like vitamin E and iron in coconut oil promote healthy and thick eyebrows. You can apply coconut oil on your eyebrows every day, but using it even a few times a week can have noticeable results. Method: dip a cotton swab in the oil and apply on your eyebrows. Keep it on overnight. Rinse with a face wash in the morning. Number 3. Olive oil. Olive oil contains vitamin A and E, which help in the growth of hair. Vitamin E nourishes each hair strand, while vitamin A stimulates the production of sebum, our body's natural oil, which helps with hair growth. This can be done at least once a day in order to see results in a matter of weeks. Method: pour a drop of olive oil on your fingertip and massage it on your eyebrows. Keep it on for a couple of hours and wash it off with face wash and water. Number 4. Onion juice. Onion juice contains lot of sulfur, selenium, minerals, vitamin B and C, which are very good for hair growth. This aids faster and denser growth of eyebrow hair. Sulfur improves the production of collagen tissues required for proper eyebrow growth. Also, it strengthens the hair follicles. As onion has a pungent smell, it's the best to use lemon juice to remove all traces of the smell. Apply onion juice to your eyebrows every alternative day. Method: chop the onion, put the pieces in a blender and make a paste. Strain this to get the juice. Using a cotton bud, apply the juice on your eyebrows. Keep it on for an hour. Wipe off with a cotton ball soaked in diluted lemon juice. Number 5. Petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly conditions and retains moisture in your brows. The petroleum compound prevents moisture from escaping and therefore keeps the skin moisturized. This goes a long way in helping your brows grow out long and fuller. Repeat this every night until you have achieved the desired thick eyebrows. Method: apply the petroleum jelly on the eyebrows and leave it on overnight. Don't apply too much as it may stain your pillowcase. Rinse with tepid water in the morning. Hope you understand completely. If you have any question, please comment. Subscribe this channel for next videos. Thanks for watching.